gusto yung ganito kaagad, they usually go to diretso crypto, thinking na this will be consistent. So, first thing you need to do is have a certain amount na gusto mo. Example, I'm 38 years old right now, and by year 45, dapat magawa kayo 45 million. Most of us wanted this income could be a 200k na walang ginagawa, tama? Pero a lot of us don't know how to build that one. Gusto yung ganito kaagad, they usually go to diretso crypto, thinking na this will be consistent. So, because we are so fixated on the amount, but we don't know how to plan this. If you want to have a passive income of 60,000 lifetime, kailangan, ang annual yield return lang nito is 4 to 6%. Ganun lang siya baba. Para sabihin mong less ang risk mo, maubos yung pera mo. How? Example, you put it on time deposit. Sabihin natin interest rates ngayon before 4.5 to 5%. And then, you need to have a 10 million pesos to get a monthly of 41,000. You need to have 12 million pesos for you to have 5% annual return, 50,000. The target number now is 12 million. Pero, yung gap na yon is gusto mo kaagad, 12 million kaagad, dapat ang pera ko lang ngayon, 100,000, dapat 12 million kaagad. No, the practical way is you plan it out. So, we build this financial blueprint calculator. If you want to really buy your freedom, practical way is to plan it. The first thing you need to do is have a certain amount na gusto mo. Example, I'm 38 years old right now, and by year 45, dapat makuha kayo 12 to 45 million. Masunog man ako, hindi ubos yung kapital ko, hindi sayang oras ko. Definitely, dapat alam mo sa nilalagay. Ngayon, example, ang kaya mo lang na investment, 500,000. Majority siguro na sa inyo, mga nasa 31 to 35. It would be lesser risk na, tama? Basically, if you really wanted to succeed in investing in trading, use this asset class. Build your low-risk investment that would give you that returns. Hindi ito ang sagot. Hindi crypto, hindi asset, hindi stocks. Yung alam mo, para pag naagbot mo yan na mabilis, mabibuild mo mabilisan itong goal capital mo by the age 45, by the age 50.